I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've forgotten your HSBC card PIN, don't worry, recovering it is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Access the HSBC app. Open the HSBC mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log into your HSBC account. If you can't remember your login details, you may need to reset them first. Step 3. Navigate to Card Services. Once logged in, look for the Card Services section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your card settings, including PIN recovery. Step 4. Select Forgot PIN. In the Card Services menu, find and select the Forgot PIN option. This will initiate the recovery process and guide you through the steps. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and reset your PIN. You may need to answer security questions or receive a verification code via SMS. Remember, if you're using a public Wi-Fi network, it's safer to switch to mobile data to protect your personal information during this process. Good luck, and I hope you get your PIN back quickly.